In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter spreadsheet data in Google Sheets. This is a highly useful skill, especially when dealing with large data sets, and it can make your life much easier by allowing you to focus on specific information at a time. So, let's dive into the process step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is open a Google Sheet. You can either create a new one or open an existing document that you want to work with. Once you have your sheet open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your data, as this will make it easier to identify the columns you want to filter later on. Next, let's focus on the date column, a common field that many people choose to filter. Click on the header of the date column. This highlights the entire column and indicates that it's the data you intend to manipulate with a filter. Now, move your attention to the top of your screen, where you'll find the menu options. Click on Data. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various data features within Google Sheets. In the drop-down menu, look for Create a Filter. Clicking on this option will enable the filter feature for your entire sheet. This is an essential step, as it allows us to apply specific criteria to our data sets, making it easier to analyze the information you need without distraction from irrelevant data. After enabling your filter, look back at your date column. You'll notice a small filter icon appears in the header. Click on this icon. It will bring up a menu where you can sort and filter data in different ways. For this tutorial, let's sort the data from Z to A, meaning you'll be arranging the dates in descending order. Clicking Sort Z to A will reorganize your entries, with the latest dates coming first. Besides, we might wish to filter data based on more specific criteria. Let's look at another field, the item count. Clicking on the filter icon in this column will give us a variety of options. You'll see numbers representing different counts, and for instance, we'll want to focus on 40 and 60. Start by clicking on 40, and then check the box next to the number you want to filter by. Do the same for 60 to include both values in your filtered data. This method is useful when you want to analyze or compare specific values across your database. Once you've selected the desired filters, simply click OK to apply these filters. You'll now see only the data corresponding to the criteria you've chosen displayed on your sheet. With that, you've successfully filtered your Google Sheets data, allowing clearer insights into your data. Remember to repeat these steps anytime you need to filter your spreadsheet for various information. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.